In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Find and Replace feature in Google Docs. This tool is incredibly useful when you need to replace words or phrases throughout your document quickly, saving you time and ensuring consistency. Whether you're editing an essay, an article, or any lengthy document, knowing how to effectively use this feature can make your editing process much smoother. First, let's get started by opening your web browser and navigating to Google Docs. You can simply do this by typing Google Docs into your search bar and clicking on the link that appears in the search results. Once you're there, you'll want to select the specific document you wish to edit. You'll see a list of your most recent documents. Just click on the one you need. Now that your document is open, let's talk about selecting the area you'd like to work on. You can either choose to work on the entire document or, if you're aiming to change specific sections, highlight the sections you want to edit. Though not a mandatory step, highlighting specific areas can help you focus on parts of your document where changes are most needed. Next, you'll want to navigate to the top left menu bar and click on Edit. From the drop-down menu that appears, select the option labeled Find and Replace. This will open a new window within your document where you'll be able to make all your replacements efficiently. Once the Find and Replace window is open, you'll see two main fields, one for finding the word or phrase you wish to replace and another for entering the new word or phrase you'd like to use. Go ahead and type the text you'd like to replace in the Find field. After that, enter the desired replacement text into the Replace With field. It's always good to double-check your entries to ensure accuracy, especially if you're making changes to a long document. When you're ready, simply click on Replace to change individual instances, or Replace All if you want to change every occurrence of the word or phrase throughout the entire document. This can dramatically speed up your editing process, particularly if you're dealing with a large volume of text. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you can swiftly and easily use the Find and Replace function in Google Docs to alter sections of text, improve consistency, or correct errors. Mastering this feature will make your editing tasks far more efficient, freeing up your time for other important tasks. Thanks for joining me in today's tutorial, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Feel free to explore more tutorials to enhance your productivity with Google Docs.